Gold has survived 6,000 years. Here's why I trust it today. Let me be honest with you. Right now, if you ask me where I feel most comfortable putting my money, it's gold. And in the next few minutes, I will explain why gold still matters when inflation and markets feel uncertain. Not because it's exciting, gold is actually pretty boring. But these days, boring feels safe and safe feels smart. And here is something fascinating about gold that most people don't think about. Archaeological evidence suggests humans were mining gold as far back as 4000 BCE. That's over 6000 years ago. Think about that for a second. Empires rose and fell. Currencies came and went. Entire financial system disappeared. But gold is still here, still valued, and still trusted. Now fast forward to today and look at this chart. On August 1st, 2025, gold was trading around approximately $3,300. By January 20th, 2026, it moved to around approximately $4,700. That's roughly a 40% move in about 6 months. Prices vary by market and currency, but the point isn't the exact number, it's the behavior. So when people say, why gold? My answer is simple. Gold has been trusted for thousands of years. And even in modern markets, when things get uncertain, people still run back to it. This kind of move doesn't happen randomly. It usually happens when people start worrying about debt, inflation, and uncertainty in the financial system. This isn't hype, it's human behavior repeating itself. Just think about everyday life. Groceries cost more, insurance costs more, housing costs more. So even if inflation numbers look fine on paper, cash in your bank account is quietly losing value. Gold may not grow fast, but it doesn't quietly lose purchasing power either. And then there is uncertainty. High interest rates, massive government debt, markets that feel stretched. When things feel stable, people chase growth. When things feel uncomfortable, people look for protection. That's when gold becomes attractive. What I personally like about gold is simple. It doesn't rely on a company beating earnings, a government managing debt properly, or a central bank getting everything right. Gold just exists, and that reliability matters right now. And here is something most people miss. Central banks themselves are buying gold quietly and consistently. They are not doing it for excitement. They are doing it for stability. Now let me be clear. Gold is not a get-rich-quick asset. It doesn't replace stocks or property. It doesn't pay dividends. Gold's job is different. It protects value when things get messy. That's why personally I prefer gold over almost anything else. Not because it's exciting, but because it helps me sleep better at night. Gold is boring. Gold is slow. And that's exactly why it has survived every crisis, every currency, and every system for over 6,000 years. If this made you think differently about gold, give the video a like, and if you want simple, honest conversations about money, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.